Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I'm going to explain how to take a train ticket which is also valid for bus and tram in a railway station. You can see a ATM like machine over there. So it is pretty simple. So first you have to touch the screen. Then you can see different ticket options are there actually. Okay. So just like I will go back and I will explain. So you can see like different zones are there. Berlin A, B, Berlin B, C. There are different zones in Germany. So you have to select which zone you will be traveling. Suppose I am taking Berlin AB. Okay, so then there are different kind of ticket, like a single ticket is there which is for 2.5 hours something. The prices will be shown on the right, which is €3, and it is better to take a 24-hour ticket than a single ticket. So you can start using from continuous 24 hours. Okay, so this is 8.80 for the 24-hour ticket. Okay, and there is another option that a season tickets you have to go for. So if you are going to university every week or every month, you have to take a pass. So it is left little bit subsidized also. So you can see that I am going to opt for 7-day ticket. So which is only around €36 only. Okay, so after the amount is shown there, you have to click on the pay. There is a pay option is shown there. You have to click on pay there. Okay, so once you click there, you have to come to this machine. There is a Wi-Fi payment option. You can see that you have to just place your card if it is Wi-Fi activated. Okay, so they are mentioning the amount also, and you can also insert your card and add your pin manually also in this particular stuff. And other than that, you can insert the currency notes also. The symbol is shown there. Okay, so after the payment is made, then the bottom you can see a space there. The ticket will become there, and any balance is there, that's also you can collect. If you are paid €50, only 36 minus 50, that amount will be coming here. Actually very simple process, easily you can book ticket accordingly. And here I can see once the ticket printing is done, so in the bottom of this place like machine, I will show you. The light will be blinking. That time the physical ticket will be coming here. After that you have to validate the ticket. There is a small machine over there. You have to insert your ticket there. So then only it will start activated. Suppose you are activating at 2 o'clock. It will start from 2 o'clock for the next 7 days. And some railway station there is a BVG machine. You can see this yellow color also there. And another thing you can see here, there is a map in every railway station, and it was also located where exactly you are. From there you can go to different places, all the route map, which train to catch, everything is mentioned very perfectly. So this is also useful. So this is a typical local train which is departing. I'm just showing you that. Okay, so there are different kind of training, S-band, U-band. In this train you can see cycle symbol. You can also carry your cycles also along with you in different compartments. There are symbols mentioned here. So it's very easy and it is very neat and clean also. All the trains that you can find in Berlin, in Germany also I can say. So this is kind of a local train. You have just show that. So now there is a train called RE trains are also there. So I will just show that train also. So these trains come with Wi-Fi also. Okay, so you can also travel with the pass on these trains also. Please check the like rules and regulations before you can travel also. That is the best option. And this is a typical RE train. So you can say there also you can bring your cycles, and this is little more comfortable trains. We can say that. And another thing I want to like stress on that if you are traveling without ticket, it will be €60 of fine. That is really costly. Okay, and opposite to that there is a train is going. I think it's an IC City Express, which is quite costly and very fast also. Sometimes it goes more than 250 km/h when you travel, and it is very convenient also with Wi-Fi. All the toilet, every features are there. Okay, so this is inside a railway station, typically Berlin Hofbahnhof, I guess. So this is how it looks like. It's like a shopping mall. Most of the railway station, if you see, there are shops, ATM counters, many things are available. Thank you for watching this video.